Are you looking for information about the fuse box diagram and location for the 2024 Audi A4? The user guide typically provides details on where to find the fuse box, which is usually located in the engine compartment and/or the interior of the vehicle. Driver's side footwell. The driver's side footwell in the 2024 Audi A4 features ample space for comfortable foot placement, including a dead pedal for resting the left foot. It is equipped with carpeted flooring for added comfort and insulation. Additionally, it provides easy access to the brake and accelerator pedals for optimal driving control. Front passenger's side footwell. The front passenger's side footwell in the 2024 Audi A4 offers a spacious area for foot placement, ensuring passenger comfort. It includes a carpeted surface for a refined interior feel and may feature a footrest along the left edge for added support. The design promotes easy entry and exit, enhancing overall convenience for passengers. Driver's side cockpit. The driver's side cockpit of the 2024 Audi A4 features an ergonomic layout with easy access to the steering wheel, instrument cluster, and control interfaces. Luggage compartment fuse box. The luggage compartment fuse box in the 2024 Audi A4 contains fuses for various electrical components and systems located in the rear of the vehicle. It is designed for easy access, allowing quick fuse checks or replacements as needed.
Type of fuses: blade fuse, standard blade, fuse, mini blade fuse, maxi blade fuse, micro 2 fuse, micro 3 fuse, J-case fuse. Fuse, AGC fuse, SFE fuse. Ceramic fuse, Bosch fuse, DIN fuse. PAL fuse, low profile PAL fuse, standard PAL fuse. Link fuse, mega fuse, high amperage link fuse. Fuse conditions: blown fuse. A blown fuse means it's no longer functioning and needs replacement, while a perfect fuse is in good working condition and performing as expected. How to change fuses. Turn off the vehicle, locate the fuse box. Identify the faulty fuse. Remove the faulty fuse. Inspect and obtain a replacement. Install the new fuse. Test the replacement. Safety precautions. Disconnect the battery. Wear protective gear. Use proper tools. Check for correct amperage. Avoid water exposure. If this guide on fuse box location and diagrams is helpful, please like and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching.